In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get CSV files from Coinbase for your tax reporting, especially if you're using Coinbase Pro. Let's say you're gearing up to file your taxes, or maybe you're just keen to get a better handle on your finances. Either way, pulling these reports is really useful. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to coinbase.com and log into your account. Make sure you have your username and password handy, and if you've enabled two-factor authentication, have that device near you as well. Logging in securely is important to protect your financial data, and taking these steps will ensure your information remains private. Once you're in, you're going to look for the menu option, typically found in the top right corner. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, navigate to the Statements section. This is your gateway to generating the reports you need. It's designed to be user-friendly, keeping all your financial data accessible and organized. In the Statements section, you'll have the option to generate a new report. This step is crucial as it allows you to customize the details of the information you want. Start by selecting which asset you're interested in. You could choose Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other asset you hold. Picking the right asset ensures that the report is tailored to display only the data you're interested in. Next, decide on the transaction type. Do you need data on your trades, deposits, or withdrawals? Selecting the appropriate transaction type helps Coinbase narrow down the information to what's most relevant for your report. Afterwards, choose the date range for your report. Whether it's for the past month, the entire previous year, or another specific time frame, ensure the period aligns with your needs for transparency and tax purposes. Having an accurate date range ensures the report you generate is complete and useful for whatever you're aiming to achieve. Now here's the important bit. Make sure you select CSV as your file format. CSV files are great because they're simple text files and can be easily read by spreadsheet software like Excel or Google Sheets, making them ideal for analysis and record keeping. Once you've got everything set up, you'll click Generate or Create Report. What happens next is that Coinbase will start preparing your report, and once it's ready, you'll get a notification via email. When you receive the email, there'll be a link in it. Click that link to download your CSV report. And there you have it, a complete downloadable summary of your transactions, ready for tax reporting or any other financial needs you might have. That wraps up today's guide. I hope this video makes it easier for you to manage your cryptocurrency assets and prepare for taxes. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any further questions. Until next time.